Should you do your own bookkeeping? Business owners ask me all the time, can I do my own bookkeeping? I was just talking to a guy in the comments on YouTube last night on one of my videos asking if he could set up a group structure and do his own bookkeeping, and my answer was, why would you? So let's be honest for a second, because business owners hate hearing this. The fastest way to destroy your own business is to insist on doing everything yourself. You think you're being smart, you think you're being lean and savvy and saving money, but really, you've just signed yourself up for a lifetime sentence as an underpaid, overworked employee in a company you supposedly own. You didn't build a business, you built yourself a prison. Every time you say, I'll just do the bookkeeping myself, I'll just do the marketing myself, I'll just do the sales myself. If you're not a salesperson, you are single-handedly ripping the CEO badge off your own chest. Because let me tell you something uncomfortable. If your business collapses the minute you stop working, you don't own a business. You own a job you can never escape from. It's a very stressful side hustle with a fancy title. And the worst part, most people don't even realise they've done this until they're drowning, until they're sat up at 1 a.m. doing receipts, hating their life, wondering why they're not growing, why they're exhausted, why nothing is moving. It's because you built a system with one employee, you. And that employee is burnt out, untrained in half the jobs, and doing 10 roles badly instead of one role brilliantly. This isn't entrepreneurship, it's self-sabotage wrapped in productivity culture. You think you're saving £200 a month by doing your own bookkeeping. Cool. You cost yourself 20 grand in lost growth because you spent all week reconciling Stripe instead of bringing in new business. If that stings, it's because it's true. And how do I know all this? Because I've got receipts. Because people assume I just magically know how to run a business. No, I learned by getting dragged through the mud repeatedly. Tax for Pros is not my first company. It's not even my second. It's probably business number 5 or 6. I've been in business for the last 20 years. I've done Amazon FBA, sat up at midnight printing labels, packing boxes, trying to learn sourcing, SEO, customer service, photography, logistics. It was like doing 7 full-time jobs for £3 profit a unit. I genuinely thought the hustle would save me. It didn't. It burnt me alive. I've run service businesses where I believed I could be the accountant, the marketer, the admin team, the salesperson, the client delivery team, and yes, the cleaner. I thought wearing every hat made me hardworking, when in reality it just made me the bottleneck. And then I became a landlord to 8 tenants in an HMO, and if you've ever come through our onboarding process, this is one I do bring up with new clients a lot. Let me tell you, that HMO took years off my life. Those people always had an issue with each other, with the bins, with the boiler, with the weather, with things I had no control over and zero interest in controlling. My phone was a 24/7 complaints hotline. Every day was another drama, another crisis, another thing they wanted me to fix that wasn't even broken. I hated it. It completely took over my life. This is what happens when you think you can just manage it all yourself. It starts small, then suddenly you're running 10 jobs you didn't apply for people you wouldn't even hire. The pattern has always been the same in every business I've run. I tried to do everything myself and then wondered why nothing scaled. You physically can't grow a business when you're the accountant, the admin, the marketer, the salesman, the bookkeeper, the operations team, the customer service, and God help us, the HMO referee. I've lived the consequences of trying to be the infrastructure, the system, the staff, and it fails every single time. I didn't build Tax for Pros the way I did because I'm clever. I built it this way because I've already lived the version where you do everything yourself. And it is sheer hell. I learned the hard way so you don't have to. Here's the part no one wants to admit. Every hour you spend learning bookkeeping or fixing someone's payroll mistake or digging through a stack of bloody receipts is an hour you've stolen from your future business. You're not saving money, you're burning opportunity. Because while you're sat there trying to Google how to reconcile Stripe, your competitors are signing new clients, building brand awareness, implementing systems, outsourcing the stuff that drains them, and you're drowning in admin because you won't let go of control. This is the brutal truth. Your business isn't stuck because the market is hard. It's stuck because you're busy doing £10 an hour tasks with a 100k a year brain. You are not the best person to do your bookkeeping or your admin or your data entry or your lead gen or any of the busy work that feels productive but produces nothing. Those tasks drain your mental bandwidth, and mental bandwidth is your most valuable currency as a founder. Every time you take on another task just to save money, you're silently telling your business, I'm not ready to grow. I'm not serious about scaling. I'd rather work myself into the ground than delegate. And the universe listens. Your business listens. Your revenue listens. That's why everything feels hard. That's why it feels like you're constantly running but not moving. Because you are. You're sprinting on a treadmill you built with your own two hands. And here's the kicker, most business owners won't ever admit this because then they'd have to admit the real problem. The business isn't overworked. They are. They made a mistake. And until they stop treating their company like a glorified hobby, nothing changes. And here's the part that separates the people who build businesses from the people who stay stuck forever. You have to outsource before you think you're ready. Not when you're drowning, not when you have the budget, not when things calm down, because spoiler alert, they never actually do. If you wait until you're overwhelmed to outsource, you're already too late. You've already trained your business to rely on you for absolutely everything. You've become the system, the machinery, the engine, and engines don't scale, they break. So here's the ruthlessly practical fix. Stop trying to be a superhero. Superheroes die eventually. Start small. Outsource your bookkeeping. That alone will claw back hours of your life every single week. A good bookkeeper will cost somewhere between £20 and £35 an hour, and that is the best money you're going to spend. You should be using that time to build something that actually grows. Then you can strip off the rest of the dead weight. Admin, gone. Lead gen, gone. Sales, outsource or systemize it. We have both. Client delivery, slowly peel your hands off it as your capacity grows. That's the stage we're at now. Cleaning the office. Why are you even entertaining that conversation? You should have got a cleaner right at the start. So if you're still doing £10 an hour tasks, you will never create a 10k month, ever. Founders think they have a money problem. They don't. They have a control problem, and it's killing their business from the inside. You don't grow by hoarding tasks like a gremlin. You grow by removing yourself from the bottom of the org chart. Every hour you step out of the weeds, you step deeper into the CEO role, and the business finally starts breathing. It finally starts moving. It finally works even when you don't, which is the entire point of entrepreneurship. If you're exhausted, burnt out, overwhelmed and constantly firefighting, it's because you're doing 5 jobs you should have hired out months ago. The sooner you outsource, the sooner you scale. The longer you wait, the more you stay trapped in the business you accidentally built that imprison you. When I launched Tax for Pros, I didn't have the luxury of easing into it. Life was already full, and if I'd tried to run every department myself, the business wouldn't have survived a month. So I made a decision most founders tiptoe around. I outsourced from the start. I knew I couldn't possibly do everything with all the other I had going on in my life. I outsourced everything I possibly could, not because I couldn't do it. I've been in business for 20 years. I can do admin, bookkeeping, onboarding, all of it. But I understood the bigger picture. Every hour I spent doing tasks that someone else could handle was an hour stolen from the tasks only I can do. The vision, the tax, strategy, the scale. So I delegated from the start. Bookkeeping was outsourced, admin was outsourced, onboarding was outsourced, client delivery, I'd say I'm about 80% out of that now, and that's handed straight to qualified accountants. My role has become exactly what grows a company: strategy, leadership, tax planning, systems and revenue. And here's the part most accountants will never admit. While they're up at midnight reconciling transactions, I'm building systems, creating content, signing new clients, and designing structures that actually push the business forward. And do you know where I actually am at midnight? I'm asleep, because my business doesn't rely on me to stay alive. Evenings and weekends, I'm not working. They're mine. I spend them with my kids and my horses, living an actual life instead of drowning in admin. Sometimes I even take a cheeky morning off or a full midweek day off, simply because I bloody can. That's the power of outsourcing early. That's the freedom you get when you build a company that runs on systems and people, not on your exhaustion. If I'd tried to do everything myself, like I did in earlier businesses, Tax for Pros wouldn't exist today. Outsourcing wasn't a luxury, it wasn't for later, it was the reason this business grew and the reason I've actually got my life back. So if you're still trying to run your business by doing everything yourself, you're not scaling, you're surviving. And survival mode is not a strategy. You do not get freedom by hoarding tasks. You do not get growth by being the cheapest labour in your own company. And you definitely don't build a scalable business by acting like the bookkeeper, the admin assistant, and the CEO all at the same time. If you want a business that grows without draining your soul, you have to start outsourcing like your future depends on it, because it does. And if you're ready to finally step out of the weeds, stop firefighting, to stop being the bottleneck and actually operate like a business owner instead of overworked employee, then it's time to bring in people who can take this off your plate properly. If you're ready to outsource to a team who actually knows what they're doing, book a call with my team at Tax for Pros. The link is in the description. We'll take the bookkeeping, the accounts, the VAT, the payroll, all of it off your hands so you can get back to building the business you meant to build. I'm Sarah from Tax for Pros, building wealth, not just businesses.